Okay, I was trying to figure out how to remove this sponsored things here at the bottom of my YouTube video. And the reason why I want to remove them because I already have an Amazon affiliate account, which I have links to these products. And I noticed that when these sponsored things were at the bottom of my video, my Amazon affiliate account started losing money because nobody was purchasing from my Amazon affiliate. So what I've tried to do, I'm going to show you what it looks like when someone watch my video. As you can see, that's fine. It shows a little advertising in the beginning. You can skip that. But the problem I have is right here, this sponsored links down here. So when someone will log onto my video, they click on these links first and purchase from these websites, which I don't get anything from it. I want them to be able to purchase from my Amazon affiliate account. As you see, when you click on it, it goes to my Amazon affiliate account, and if you purchase from here, I get a small percentage. Okay, so what I did, I went here and I turned the ad personalization to off. Okay, once I did that, I went back to the video and see if that sponsored link would still be there. And this is happening to a few of my videos. So I'm going to go to the new incognito window and I'm going to paste that video link. And this after I have turned that personalization off. The ad in the beginning, that's fine. We can skip that. And you see, it still has those sponsored ads, which I don't want there. So I'm trying to figure out how to remove it. So only other way I know how to do it is go to my video and I go to edit and go to monetization and I turn it off. And I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to go to a new window and I'm going to paste that video again. You notice that there's no ads, but I wanted ads on my video, but I just didn't want the sponsored ads below. So if anybody know how to fix this problem, let me know. So I'm gonna just turn my ads back on, or my monetization back on, and see if that sponsored link pops up again. Let me hit save. So I'm going to play this video. There it go, those sponsored ads, which it have cut into my Amazon affiliate profits. And I got, like I said, I got a few videos that are doing this. So if anybody know how to fix this, let me know. Thank you and have a great day.